Hey friends, it's Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of the She Makes Club. And today is a super quick little mini Christmas bouquet of SolaWoodFlowers and this little vase that I found at the Target dollar spots. It's a fun little kind of mirrored silver bulb-like vase that I just thought was really cute, and it kind of spoke Christmas to me. And I had leftover white glitter baby's breath from the Inspired centerpiece collection. So I am taking several wooden bamboo sticks and I am just putting some hot glue on the bottom of the SolaWoodFlowers and skewering in the bamboo stick. And I am kind of like just twisting it there for a second. The glue in this hot glue gun, it seemed to take a lot longer to cool and to set than the other glue that I was using. So I'm just kind of letting it cool off and kind of spin there for a second or two. You can see I do have this video in a double time speed. It really took me less than 10 minutes to do, but I didn't think you would need to see it all drawn out in slow 10-minute time. So what I am doing is taking my center flower, I want it to be this green one, and I'm literally adhering the beautiful baby's breath right to almost each stem as I'm creating my little bouquet. So I'm just kind of placing and gluing the baby's breath to the stems as I'm going through and just kind of gluing it together and placing it into my vase. Now I am using a little bit of, this is just washi tape to keep it all together at the very ends, and then cutting and trimming down to make it all fit right inside of the vase once I'm done. And then I just fluff up the arrangement and finish off a little bit more adhesive or glue with the baby's breath to kind of really fill it in at the end, because I don't like seeing the bamboo sticks sticking out in any way. It is just a simple, small little bouquet that I have, and I do have some beautiful gold trimmed ribbon from close to my heart that I just tied around the top just to give it a little bit more of that Christmassy feel. The colors that I used is a berry color, merlot, and then avocado from SolaWoodFlowers. So those are the colors that came together really nicely just to create a fun little Christmas themed color bouquet. So I hope that you enjoyed taking a look at this little mini bouquet today. I have a lot of videos on SolaWoodFlowers, how to dye them, how to scent them with essential oils and all kinds of different arrangements and customizations over at ByMeganElizabeth.com. And of course, as always, you're welcome to come join us inside She Makes Club, where we make beautiful things, process life and the journey that we're on, and tell our stories in a meaningful way with scrapbooking, journaling, card making, and all kinds of creativity. You're always welcome there. Enjoy the moments, and I'll see you soon at ByMeganElizabeth.com.